This is a famous tradition related to Hazrat Hanzala. Once addressing Hazrat Abu Bakr radhiyallahu anhu, he said that nafak al Hanzala, nafak al Hanzala. Then Hazrat Abu Bakr radhiyallahu anhu asked, what happened to you? Then he said, when I am at the company of Rasul Karim sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
I know that he's Rasul Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam removed that misunderstanding of Hanzala by saying that these things happen. When you come close to me, you are a different person. When you go back to the world, you begin to change gradually. So keep coming to me. And as long as you remain in my presence, you will be saved from satanic thoughts and views.